Hi, yeah, I'm Sophie Hyde and I'm the director and producer of Animals. I mean, storytelling is like how we understand the world, I think, and to be able to be in someone else's shoes, you know, the empathy that we can get from storytelling is kind of the thing that makes us human in so many ways. So for me, it doesn't matter what form it is or what story you're telling. It's just really important to emotionally engage with it and to feel like there's some purpose behind it. Access to technology now is so fantastic, and that it feels like you can access and create work without it being this elitist idea. For me, when I first went to university, we were the first year that learnt to do non-linear editing, and prior to that, it was linear editing. I mean, I think that storytelling's transformed completely from non-linear editing, and from us having the capacity to have an edit program like Premiere on our laptops and in our houses. I think your voice is something that changes and adapts all the time. I think that you need people around you that trust you and value who you are and want you to make things. And I am very lucky that I have that in my life, people that challenge me as well as support me.